How to download Assassin's Creed Shadows on your Windows computer. So first thing first, go to your browser. I'm using Chrome, right? You can use any browser and search for Steam. And once you are here, go to the first website, and from here you need to select install Steam and again install Steam. Okay, so now Steam, we will get your Steam like this in your installation directory. Just double click here, and now we are going to install Steam inside our Windows computer. So now to install Steam, just press next, choose your preferred language, and next choose your destination, and then press the install button. Alright, so once done, Steam will look like this. Okay, this is the Steam. Double click here and make sure to create an account for the first time. Alright, it will ask you to create an account. So yeah, you need to create an account, pretty simple. And after you get inside Steam, go to the store here, right? Store, and from the search here, search for Assassin's Creed. So here's the results. You see, this is latest game, so it's pop up in the top. So this is the game. As you can see, you can watch the trailer. Alright, so we have two versions here. So this is the normal version, which says Assassin's Creed Shadows, and this is the digital deluxe edition. So if your budget is high, go for this, or if you're like me who is cheap, you can go for this. Right, now just press add to cart and then view my card, and from here you need to pay for the game. So basically you can use your credit, debit, PayPal, and anything you want. So after you have done the payment, you check your library. Your game will be somewhere here in the ascending to descending order. So if it's Assassin's Creed, it will be somewhere in the top. So just press the game and there will be an install button like this. Tap the install button and you're pretty good to go. Alright, that's how you download and install Assassin's Creed Shadows on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching and have a great day.